So in this Inkscape tutorial, I will be showing you how to curve text here on Inkscape. So first thing you have to do is go to the left-hand side and add some text here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the word curve like this. I will then make it a little bit smaller. I will then change the color to orange, and then I will go to text here and the fill, and I will turn stroke paint off. So it just looks like this. Once you have your text selected, go to the left-hand side and I want you to press the pen tool and I want you guys to create a triangle. Once the triangle is selected, go ahead and select it like this. Once this is done, I want you to go ahead and go to fill, get rid of fill, but go to stroke paint and turn that on so that you guys can see sort of the top of your triangle like this. Once that is done, I want you to go ahead and select the node tool like this. I then want you to go ahead and select your options. Select the top node like that so that the blue is highlighted up there. Then go to the top to where it says make selected node smooth and just sort of smooth it out like this so it's sort of like a semicircle or it's going to be a nice curve. Once that is done, I want you to select out. To make sure you did it correctly, if you highlight the entire thing, there should only be one box. Now, once that is done, I want you to highlight your text and I want you to highlight the curve like that. Then I want you guys to go to the top here to where it says text and then put on path. And just like that, it'll put it on the path. So you can go ahead and, you can rotate it. You can do what you got to do just like that. And if you want to get rid of this thing right here, go ahead, press it, go to stroke paint right here, get rid of it. And then you have your text curved just like that. And once again, you can make it larger, smaller, do what you got to do, and just kind of play around with it that way. But that is how you guys can curve text here on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.